Hola mi amigos, it's Pat here from the Costa Blanca Travellers, and how are you all? It's Thursday the 20th of March, can you believe it? And today I'm going to take you out on the Engwe EP2 Pro electric bike with me and go round about, might go into towards Algorfa and probably on one of the cycle tracks around there, and we'll see what's happening in the area. It's a nice day, it's around 20 degrees. A little bit breezy today, but yeah, not too bad at all for a ride. So we'll take you around and we'll see what's happening. So without further ado, I'll catch you in a few minutes. So guys, I've really seen a lot of wildlife on this route. I've seen quite a few birds, rabbits, butterflies. Yeah, very nice indeed. And there's so much you notice on the wildlife when you're on a bike and even walking, probably even more so walking, but there's been quite a way to walk today. But yeah, these little gravel paths are very nice little routes for cycling, and the beauty is that Spain has got so many of them that you can choose from. And look at this, I mean, I've only met like a couple of persons today on this route, and so it's been really good, really amazing. Yeah, and this is, of course, is the side. I'm going by this route, goes beside the Segura river. So it's a river that goes all the way to Benejuzar, and the beauty is that everything's growing now. You can see all the wildlife and the plants at the side of this road. It's they're all starting to shoot up, and even along the river itself, which is nice to see. And the river looks like it's getting filled up. That was really low just a few weeks back, and now it's looking pretty decent again. Still a way to go, as you can see with the banks, but decent amount of water in there, which is nice to see for the farmers. So of course they use it for their irrigation of their land, and as you can see, there's loads of groves around here, loads of lemon groves, and I'm just poodling along here about 14 kilometers an hour, which is just nice, because you can see things. If you go too fast, you do tend to miss things. And I've only got it on one pedal assist one, and that is plenty, and you're still getting some exercise, which is nice, which is good, which I do like to get some exercise in, and lately with Rose I haven't been able to do that. An update on Rose is that she's doing really well. She's improving a little bit each day. Still a way to go, of course. She has to go to the doctors next Tuesday, to have her stitches removed, and then she'll just still be recuperating at home. So it's going to be quite some time before we're able to get out together on and do some more videos together, which is what we're really longing to do. But no doubt we shall get there eventually. So yeah, the puddles, some quite big puddles on this path, but nothing too much. They can't negotiate. I only had to get off a couple of times just to be careful not to go right through the water, because I don't fancy getting my feet all soaked today. But you can see it's quite pretty, all the little wildflowers here, along here, and you can probably see the river on the left hand side there, how much water is filled with the rain, and of course that's going to help the wildlife. I've already seen some birds that are stork, I think I've seen, and no doubt there's some herons along here as well, which is only good for the wildlife. I've seen butterflies today, and pretty flowers after all the rain. So lovely to see. As you can see, it's like a little carpet here, the side of the river. Absolutely beautiful. And the beauty is here, but cycling on these roads, is there's not a lot of traffic. Unlike on the main roads, where you've got so much traffic to be aware of, which it's not really relaxing, I find, on the main roads. There is a little bit of cycleway here in Algorfa, but not much. You've really got to go and hunt out these little back routes, so that you miss some of the main roads, and that's really your best bet. So yeah, just looking at how many kilometres I've done on the old trip. Yeah, the old trip's saying 37 kilometres. So yeah, so we've got a little coming to a junction here, so I'm just going to check the old sat nav and see if I'm still going the right way. Right, yeah, so I've just checked the old Google Maps, and I do need to go down this one here. Not sure quite what that is over there. Looks like some sort of factory, doesn't it? Some sort of grain factory, right out here. Beautiful area. So we're just going to go down the side here, down the side of these lemon groves, and hopefully we'll get back to the right track again. It's an amazing day for it's about 20 degrees today. It's just ideal, and it's so nice after all the rain. It has been so wet here in Spain. Just in general, we've had storm after storm in these parts, and it's been really grey, cloudy skies. I mean, today at least the sun is hazy, but it is out and you can feel the warmth of the sun, which is so nice. After it has been quite cool, I have to say. When the rain came along, it really has, it really did wet everywhere, and we had so much of it, but then the farmers needed it, and as you can see, the rivers really needed it. So that's a good thing, I guess. That is a good thing. Right, so just coming up here now. Just going to take it steady here, because I need to go left here, I think, because that goes up to the meter. Yeah, just remembering my way so I don't get lost in these little pathways. And yeah, we've got a little, I think there's a walker down here, so I don't want to take them out. Hola. Hola. It's about 4 o'clock now, guys. So 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got oranges, we've got lemons around us. How's that song go? Oranges and lemons, says the bells of St. Clement's. Even I've forgotten that rhyme years ago. I think it's something goes back the old Great Bell of Bow, doesn't it? It's been so long. Just shows you how these old nursery rhymes and songs do hang around. Yeah. So this looks like another harvest here of lemons. They've already done one harvest, and these are obviously, this is the second crop that come. which they leave on the trees to grow further and develop before they pick them, and then they send them to market. As you look back in the back catalogue, and you'll see I did a little short on the growers picking the lemons. I think it was about a month ago. So you probably have a look back at that if you want to see that. These little nice little villas here tucked away. These are obviously farmers, probably owned by farmers. The old dogs as you go by, but absolutely gorgeous today. Really enjoying this ride out today. Absolutely gorgeous weather. Couldn't really ask for more. And there's the Algorfa that's coming up to Algorfa on the right. Over on the right is Algorfa, so I shall soon be joining the roundabout and heading back, no doubt, towards Algorfa and the little town. If you're coming out in the next few days, the weather doesn't look too bad. I think the rain is due to return sometime next week. I don't know whether it's Sunday. I think Sunday I saw somewhere that the rain could come back for about a day, and then it's back. It's been a bit up and down months, March. It's been an unusual March, to say the least, this year. Much less settled than the last year one of 2024. But yeah, look at those lemons, aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Yeah, those are the second harvest. Second harvest of lemons. Incredible. Yeah. Hola. Yeah. So a couple of people out with the dog there, a couple of dog walkers today. Yeah, and we're just coming up now to the main roundabout. This is the main roundabout that goes towards Algorfa. Okay guys, so I'm in Algorfa now, so I'm going to leave it there for today. Thanks ever so much for joining me today on this bike ride. It's been great, and don't forget to keep liking, sharing and subscribing to the channel, because you don't know where I might pop up next. Okay, and don't forget the thumbs. Okay, we do need those thumbs. But we are growing. We have got nearly 180 can you believe it, subscribers now, which is absolutely fantastic for us. So thank you so much, and it would help if you could please share any of our videos with your friends and recommend us to your friends. And don't forget, if you see me around at all, come and say hi. If you see me on my bike, on my electric bike, EP2 Pro, come and say hello. It's an orange one, so you can't really miss me if I'm out and about in Algorfa. And if I'm out about walking from the car, definitely come up and say hi. Gracias. I'll say adios for now, mi amigos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Adios.